the natural starch repository that contains the glucose that feeds Ajinomoto's remarkable glutamic acid fermentation process.
The starch content on this line is consistently above 25%.
Yes, and the yield per ray meets the factory requirements. This variety is promising.
The scale in Nigeria alone is remarkable, 60 million tons.
Yes, and critical for the global supply chain as demand rises.
With the quality payment system, you receive a premium income for your cassava.
That provides great stability for our community.
Make sure you follow the route precisely, driver.
Copy that, supervisor. We are moving out now.
We check the cross-section for starch content and the diameter of the fibrous center. This ensures the
From Ikeda's 1908 discovery of umami in kombu to the revolutionary ferment.
Pull harder from the base. These are ready for the factory. Make sure the crates are full before the truck arrives.
From these vast golden fields to the historic discovery by Professor Ikeda, we uncover the
Move the truck to the left. Keep the line moving. We have more incoming.
Make sure the buffer is clear for the next delivery.
We are running at maximum capacity on the main line.
The complete raw material inventory is visible here. Based on the cassava root stock and daily consumption, the incoming
The biogas output is stabilizing nicely. We should adjust the flow rate here.
Agreed. And the soil amendment levels look optimal for the next batch.
Check the microbial count on line B.
It spiked slightly at 1400 hours. I see it. It's still within acceptable.
With the capacity to process thousands of tons of cassava and produce hundreds of tons of MSG daily,
Maintained here are the proprietary Corynebacterium glutamic strains, optimized over 6 years for extraordinary commercial efficiency in producing glutamic acid.
Known as the biological engine of MSG production, Corynebacterium glutamicum efficiently converts glucose into glutamic acid.
The OD looks good on the primary culture.
Okay, initiating transfer to the 5-liter vessel now.
We need to look at the efficiency index on batch 74.
Harvest time is still projected for 0800, but the glutamic concentration is low.
The batch transfer is proceeding smoothly. We're hitting the target density.
Excellent. Another successful harvest completed on schedule.
The sequencing data confirms the desired mutation site.
Yes, and the yield improvement in the bioreactor is significant.
The 5,000-liter run shows consistent yields. Good.
We can finalize the process parameters for the new strain.
The complete fermentation miracle, transforming glucose into glutamic acid-rich broth.
Utilizing controlled cooling crystallization, we produce the exact crystal morphology and particle size distribution.
The system ensures precise particle size fractions, extra fine powder for industrial manufacturing,
This dashboard integrates the entire network. We're looking at over 600,000 tons of MSG annually across.
These peaks on the HPLC show consistent purity across all samples.
And the retention times match the standard perfectly.
We've confirmed the purity is above 99.0% on a dry weight basis, exceeding the International Food Standard minimum.
Our pharmaceutical-grade facilities conduct comprehensive testing for total plate count, yeast, mold, and pathogens.
Since Professor Ikeda first identified glutamate in 1908, the study of umami has revolutionized our understanding of taste.
As you can see, foods like Parmesan and soy sauce are rich in natural glutamate, but MSG is simply a more concentrated form.
By combining the MSG with the reduced sodium chloride, we maintain the full perceived saltiness.
The flavoring.
From the farm, to the factory, to the vibrant street markets, discover the journey of Ajinomoto Umami.
The yields are significantly higher with the new strain.
Remarkable. We only dreamed of this efficiency back then.
It's a testament to how far we've come.
The food is perfect today.
Yes, it has so much flavor. The seasoning really makes a difference.
A testament to nature, science, and the universal language of extraordinary food shared by family.